guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to it if you've never been here. I know Lush brings in the new crowd, so hey, I'm sweating, don't mind that. But hi guys, I am so excited today. I just am pumped. Obviously by the title and the thumbnail you know this is a Lush Halloween haul, and I'm just excited to share it with you. I'm really excited that like today kind of for us starts the season. I'm filming a couple Halloween related videos today. We're going to decorate this week. I've been really busy with work, which is great, but I've just been like attached to my computer, but once that eases up, we're finally going to decorate, and of course I'll be sharing that with you guys. And I'm just in a good mood today. Of course it's a difficult time and bad days happen, and to be honest, a lot of them are bad moody days, but today I'm in a good mood, so I'm kind of just like feeling it and running with it, and I feel great, and I am so excited to share this collection. I have all of it to share, which is so cool, except one thing, which is my own fault because I meant to pick it up and I forgot, but it's a repeat product. But Lush did send me about half of this stuff. I picked up the rest on my own, and this is not sponsored, but thank you Lush for sending. Just like the fact that Lush DMs me on Instagram and like sends me packages I'll never get over. And just side note, look at my cute new headband. I got it at Anthropologie, and it's actually like, well, it's my first day wearing it, but it's the most comfortable headband I feel like I've ever worn, so I'll link that if I can find it. But okay, I'm gonna stop just chatting. I'm just clearly so excited. Oh, I did want to say, this is my first time sitting down to film since I uploaded the apartment tour, and I just wanted to thank you guys so much for all the love on that video. If you missed it, I will link it up in the corner. I wanted to film it before all the Halloween stuff goes up, because once Halloween happens, it just kind of rolls into Christmas, and then my decor is different. But yeah, I just got that up, and you guys are being so sweet and kind about it. Ugh, my phone is ruining the shot. You guys have just given me so much love on it, and I just really appreciate it. So I wanted to say thank you so much, guys, and to all of you who joined me on like the live chat. That was so fun. I'm planning on doing it again soon. But okay, she's blabbered on for 5 minutes. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the bath like product stuff first, and then we'll get into more of like the shower and just other miscellaneous. So yeah, I figured we'd start with the new, there's only one new bath product, which we'll start with that. Let me just say first, I am like kind of devastated that two things aren't in this collection. The sparkly pumpkin, which I cannot believe. I bought a sparkly pumpkin every year for the last like 10 years, or however long it's existed. I cannot believe they didn't like put it out. Like, I'm shocked. Sparkly Pumpkin and the Mercury in Retrograde. That was my freaking favorite bomb from the Halloween collection last year, and I was really hoping they were gonna bring it back. It smelled so good. I loved the orange and green of it. I'm just sad that it's not a part of this collection, and it kind of like took me a few days to realize like, oh, they didn't bring back my fave, but that's okay. Part of Lush is falling in love with things and they get discontinued forever, and you just kind of have to deal with it. I'm mostly talking about the Christmas Eve bubble bar. But they do have a new bath bomb this year. This is called the Bat Art Bath Bomb. That's a lot to say. It's a bat, and I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to use this. Oh, that's why I had my phone. I'm such an idiot. I just threw my phone to the ground, but I needed it to read. So not only does this smell great, which I'll get to what it's, I just bent down to get my phone in my So not only does this smell great and is a bat, which I'm obsessed with, it is sparkly as hell. It is black glitter, and I'm obsessed with it. So let me read to you what it smells like, because I have no idea. Oh, so it has the same scent as the Junk perfume, which I've never smelled, so that means nothing to me, but maybe that means something to you. But it has Sicilian lemon, red mandarin, rosemary, and sage. Like, oh my god. Then wing your way through waters of glittering black with swirls of purple, blue, and pink. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm not gonna lie, I bought 2 of each of these bath bombs because I'm so hyped up on Halloween. And I'll probably buy more. But I liked the scent of everything, and I was so pleased with the scent of this new one. I don't know, it's kind of berry-ish to me. I mean, I just read to you what it is, but I'm like describing how I think it smells. But I do definitely smell like the rosemary and sage. It smells really good. So I am just, cannot wait. I'll probably use that tonight. Oh no, it's hair wash night. Tomorrow night. And I got so many DMs from you guys asking to let you know if it will stain the tub. It did stain my fingers, so I'll let you know. Next up is a classic. This is the Lord of Misrule Bath Bomb. It looks to be a little bit darker this year and a little more like red speckled. Smells great, and if you didn't know, they made the Lord of Misrule shower gel a permanent like item. I know a lot of people love this scent, and for good reason. It smells great. This one is green on the outside, but on the inside it's like a deep red wine color, so it kind of looks like blood, so it's very perfect for Halloween. This smells very similar to Twilight to me. I know they're not the same scent, not you all remind me that every year, because I'm always like, it's the same as Twilight. Just to me, it smells the same, but it does have like black pepper in it. Let's read it. It's black pepper, patchouli, and vanilla, and I don't even like patchouli, but I love the way this smells, so And this one usually sticks around from Halloween till Christmas, so I didn't like rush to get a bunch of these, but it is a favorite every year. I love it. Another fun classic favorite is the Monsters Ball Bath Bomb. That's what it's called, right? Yeah. He's a little cyclops, that's what you call him. He's got one little eye, his blue horns, he's hot pink. I love him. He smells very bright and citrusy. So this says it's lime and neroli scented, so like I said, very citrusy. And it's just fun in the tub. I just think this is so cute. This will definitely, well, they're all so cute. I was gonna say this will be at the top of my like display bath bomb jar, but there's no telling. They're all too cute. Then something else I love and I'm so happy they brought back is the Pumpkin Pumpkin Bath Bomb. Pumpkin Pumpkin. It's hard to say. But first, look how freaking cute it is. Like, that is the cutest thing in the entire world. It's a little jack-o'-lantern face. This one has like the most earthy scent of all of them. It's got cinnamon leaf oil, sweet orange oil, pumpkin powder in it, but it definitely has like an earthy smell to it. It's still a good smell. Probably my least favorite of all of these. That makes me sound like I don't like it, but you know what I mean. I think it was last year I took a cute Instagram shot of this one. Posted in here now, but I love this one. I'm so happy they brought it back. And then there's one bubble bar from the collection, which I'm kind of relieved because I bought so many bubble bars over the summer when they were releasing all the new ones that I'm like, oof, I don't need any more. I mean, it would have been fun to have new products, but I'm sure there'll be plenty in the Christmas range. But this is the Bewitched bubble bar. And speaking of, a lot of you asked if the bath bomb will stain black. This one used to be black, but it appears to be purple this year. It's like this deep purple color. The smell is incredible. I thought it had jasmine in it, but it doesn't. To me, it smells like the Christmas Eve bubble bar, which is like pure jasmine and one of my very favorite scent from Lush, so it's very reminiscent of that. It also has bergamot in it, which is like one of my favorite scents ever. I always get bath bomb dust up my nose. I'm curious why they changed it to a purple color instead of a black, which it didn't really make your bathwater black anyway. It was more of a gray. But regardless, I love the way it smells. It's such a cute little cat face, and I love it. And it smells incredible. So that is it for like the bath products. Just 5, I feel. Let me know what you guys think, if you're like disappointed that there's not more than just this, or if you are kind of into like the streamlined just a few. But let's get into some of the other stuff. So most of this, actually all of this is what Lush sent me. Oh wait, first. The other one thing I didn't pick up is the glow-in-the-dark ghost bar of soap, which I'm not a huge fan of bars of soap, but I love putting that one out on a little soap dish in my bathroom as like decor, so I'm bummed I forgot to pick it up. But it really does glow in the dark and it's super cool. And I don't remember what it smells like. I want to say like lemongrass, and I hate lemongrass, so maybe that was my thought process of not buying it again. But I did like having it as decor. It was super cute. Okay. I'm sorry, I haven't filmed in a while. I feel like I'm all over the place. On to the rest of the stuff, which is mostly what Lush sent me. They sent me the new things, so like the bath bomb, and then all this stuff I'm going to show you. And they sent all of it in this super cute knot wrap, which is what they call what this is. It's basically like a very soft, almost bandana that they have fancy ways of tying up bath bombs so you can like take them with you places. They're very cute for giving gifts, but look how cute this is. It's got little eyes on all these colorful pumpkins, and I'm obsessed with it, and I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna like use this for the rest of my life. I would like to figure out how to like make it into a bandana and tie it around Ludo's neck, my dog. I just think it's so cute. It'd be cute on like a little table as a table runner. I just am obsessed with that. And every time they send me a knot wrap, I'm obsessed with it. So I never like think to look at the new releases of those, so I should. But yeah, that was super cute. Something I'm super excited about, you guys know I love their lip scrubs. This is the Toffee Apple Lip Scrub, which, oh my god, you guys. It smells very reminiscent of the popcorn lip scrub, which was my very favorite, but they got rid of it, and that kind of had like a kettle corn scent to it. And I guess kind of like that caramel scent in there, even though it's toffee, I don't know. However, this is swirled colors, so it looks red on the top, but if you look, it is green, so it's like, you know, candy apple. Oh, it smells so good. Let me like read if I'm missing any notes on that. Oh, it's a double flavored buffer. So the first one, oh my god, you get a duo of deliciousness with both green apple and sticky toffee tastes. That is so fun. And what's really fun about the Lush lip scrubs is it's all like edible, so you can exfoliate your lips and then kind of just like lick it all away, which I don't typically do. I just usually wipe it off just because like, I don't know, that freaks me out. But regardless of how you use it, you are always tasting it. So that is so fun that it's duo flavor. That is so cool. I did not know that. I just thought it was fun colors just for fun. My favorite lip scrub ever, and I always love when they come out with a new one. This is so fun to look at. This is called the Very, Very Frightening Shower Gel, which every time I read that, I'm like, very, very frightening me, you know? All day, every day. This says, a sweet citrusy sudsor fit for true bohemians. Like bohemians? Got it. So it's this really fun like yellow color, and I was showing it to my sister-in-law on FaceTime, and she's like, is the bottle yellow or that's the color of the shower gel? I'm like, no, that's the color of the shower gel. It smells incredible. incredible. It smells like the Miranda soap, which is discontinued unfortunately, but this smells just like it. It smells so freaking good. I cannot wait to put this in my shower. And Bradley always gets really excited to use Lush shower gels because he likes them and his skin likes them. So this has lemon, grapefruit, bergamot, like wow. 3 of my favorite scents ever. This smells like the Space Girl bath bomb, which I think has also been discontinued. It's like that little kind of Saturn planet looking one. And the texture of this is a little thick and weird, but it's Halloween, so it's fun. But I cannot get over the scent. I freaking love the way it smells. So I would highly recommend this if you're into like bright citrusy scents. It just smells incredible. Next up, this is a repeat from last year, I believe. This is the Boo Shower Slime. This is completely black and glittery. And I saw like a review on this and it said it's less sticky than last year and it's more glittery, which I mean, yes, more glitter please. But basically, this is a really fun, cool product for Halloween. It's like a shower slime. It's kind of like a shower gel. It's just a little slimier, but obviously it's pure black and it just is very creepy looking as you're showering. On the how to use, it says scoop, scrub, rinse, admire how amazing your skin feels. So pretty much everything from Lush that you use on your body is very softening. This is just a super fun way to like get messy and creepy in the shower, and I think it's so fun. And it smells good. Let me read to you what it smells like. Oh, and it's vegan. That's nice. Oh, it has scrub in it. Scrubby ground coconut shell to help shake off your spookiest dead skin cells and leave you feeling soft and smooth. Oh, it has the same scent of Lord of Misrule. Is that the same as last year? I feel like that's different. I have no idea. Black pepper, patchouli, vanilla. This product is all treat, no tricks. So it's just a fun product, especially if you have like kids. This would be great. Many fun bath time photo shoots will be had, I bet, on Instagram with this stuff. And it's so gooey. Can you see that? It's just very gooey. And now I'm a mess. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all this linked down below if you want to pick any of it up. I know a lot of it sells out really quick. So pick up what you want now. I will also say for the stuff that I picked up in store. You can order it online and then they'll find the nearest store to you that offers in-store pickup. You drive up to the mall, you call them, they bring it out to your car. It was really nice and easy and still a nice way to have my goodies the same day instead of waiting for shipping. But yeah, I will definitely be back in some like nighttime routines or pamper routines or just vlogs to kind of demo these products. And on Instagram, of course, if you're not following me, please do. I'm trying to broaden my Instagram life. It's just at Amy Lynn Buttchin. I'll have it linked down below as well, but I'll have my face to subscribe if you want to stick around for all the fun Halloween stuff that's gonna go down. I'll have some videos here you can click and watch if you'd like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you're most looking forward to picking up, your favorite product from it. Let's just talk Lush in the comments. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. I will see you very soon and I hope you have a great day. Bye.